Want to know how to use Asana for media buying campaigns? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how Asana can streamline your media buying workflow, making campaign management easier and more efficient. Whether you're handling ads across different platforms or coordinating with a team, this video will give you the key tools to make Asana work for your campaigns. First things first, Asana lets you set up detailed project workflows. You can create a new project for each media buying campaign and break it down into sections like research, design, approvals, and execution. Each section can have tasks with deadlines, assignees, and detailed descriptions. This gives your team clarity and keeps everyone on track, especially when running multiple campaigns at once. Next thing, tasks in Asana aren't just for to-do lists, they're incredibly versatile. When you create tasks for each step in your campaign, you can attach important files, leave comments, and even track progress using Asana's built-in tools. This is a game changer for media buying because it keeps everything in one place. No more sifting through emails or messages to find that one file or update. The third thing that will change the way you manage media buying campaigns is Asana's timeline feature. You can use this to map out campaign timelines, align deadlines, and ensure you're hitting important milestones. The timeline allows you to visualize how tasks overlap, so you're never caught off guard when a deadline is approaching. This is key when running multiple campaigns at once, as it gives you a clear overview of what's happening and when. Another key feature that will help you is Asana's custom fields. You can use custom fields to track important metrics like budget allocation, platform performance, or the status of an ad. These custom fields can be added to each task, so when your team checks in on their progress, they can see everything that matters, like whether a creative asset is approved or whether a campaign is within budget. And now, here's something really powerful, integrating Asana with other tools. You can link it with Google Drive, Slack, and other apps that you're probably already using for media buying campaigns. This means you don't have to jump between multiple apps to stay on top of things, and instead, everything can be accessed directly through Asana. Before we wrap up, remember, Asana is completely free to use from the link below, with an exclusive bonus if you sign up today. You can get started immediately with no cost and start transforming your media buying campaigns. The last thing I want to mention is that you have an exclusive, extended free trial to Asana through the link below, so you can explore all these features without any pressure. This could be a total game changer for your media buying campaigns, so don't miss out.